Eggy. So spirituals are out time for a weekend and let's go party. What the hell was that? No, let's go. Alright, who that? Hello there. Ah! Kill it! Yo, monster, we're gonna kill you. What? No, stop. Why? Because I am the cat in the hat. You know that's copyright, you know. Fine, I'm the dog in the pants. That's better. Alright. So I'm here to have some fun with you for the weekend. The whole weekend. Yes. About to call the cops. Good fun. Yeah. Well, you don't do that. I can create a fun fair. What? There she blows. Wow. But bro, maybe we were wrong about you. What can you do? I told you. I can do anything. Like the big drop. This one's a big drop. Yeah. Alright. There she goes. Told you I can do fun. But bro, that was awesome. How much can you do? I can do literally anything if you don't tell anyone about me. Well, this is an episode. Shall I cancel film mode? No. No, I'm feeling. What? What's going on? Oh, goody, you're awake. I could be right back. Bro, you okay? He's safe down there. You know, people keep calling me the cat in the hat. Copyright. Fine. The cat in the hat. See, I started out as a monster. That hides into children's bedrooms with my best buddy Octopus. He told me all things to be evil. That's why every day I go to people's houses and I kill them all. And that's the only thing I do. But that's not the only thing. Oh no, just you wait. After I lost my buddy, I go in the streets and try to be a good guy. So when they come in here, I'll go kill them all. I'll be nice. That's why I killed so many people. Because I want to let me do what I want. And now, they are dead. You're next. What's wrong with that? You're fine. And now, with your egg friend down, you're done. You're going to be the next one. I'll kill. Please don't want to die. We got you down. Yeah, get away from him. Please, I want to kill. You'll go 50 years in prison. Oxy, save me. This will be the last time you see me. Just wait. No, don't. Well, he's loose in the streets. Let's go find a kid. Okay. We could take this kid on lot. Let's go. Right. Tell me what's going on since I was out. We can go now. Okay. Don't pigs. Do not. Let's just pretend I didn't hear that. Alright. Tell me what the hell's going on since you're in here. Alright. So apparently me and Eggy were having nothing good to do. This dolphin thing that came to say you want to have some fun. And he's under the bed somewhere. Oh, I snapped the snack. Yeah, I bleached him. Oh, that's good. So see. And also, Zebby, something I shouldn't have told you a couple of episodes ago. Yeah. You know how for the past episodes, you're rotten? Yeah, what's about it? Well, you got bleach on your face. What?